What inspires change? What motivates us? It's what's inside that moves us. What moves you? Get the Scion story at Scion.com.
The ill-fated plane crash of a Star Marianas Piper Cherokee 6 aircraft early Sunday morning was the third and worst incident involving the inter-island carrier the past 3 days. The Saipan Tribune reports that 2 days before the crash that claimed the lives of the plane's pilot and two of his passengers, a smaller Star Marianas aircraft last Friday made an emergency landing on a road north of the West Tinian Airport. Then on early Saturday morning, a Star Marianas aircraft fell off on a manhole or a ditch at the Tinian Airport. No injuries were reported on the earlier two mishaps. The two were still being inspected when the third and fatal incident occurred early Sunday morning when an aircraft piloted by Luis Silva crashed in the jungle east of the Voices of America Tower on Tinian. It is the second deadly crash for Star Marianas in a year. In the morning of November 19, 2012, a Star Marianas aircraft crashed as it landed at the Saipan International Airport from Tinian, killing a Chinese tourist and injuring six more. Mark Rabago, PNC News, Saipan.